The weather is already causing problems.
Local 10 News reporter Hatzel Vela is live in Boynton Beach, where some are dealing with flooding. Hatzel.
Nicole, we're on the deck of one of the more popular restaurants here in Boynton Beach, and I want to show you something because the intercoastal is to my right. That gives you a sense of how close the water is. At least two residents say they were here when the tide was so high that this entire deck was completely flooded. A quiet night here in Boynton Beach. Residents still taken aback by what they saw earlier. This is video set to have been shot from a boat Monday. The restaurant, Two Georges, was underwater. A Goodnight says he shot the video.
I've never seen it come up this high here.
They believe it's the result of king tide and the storm surge.
We went to the inlet this morning and it was the highest I've ever seen it.
Our cameras along the coast earlier in the town of Ocean Ridge as rough seas battered the beach on one side. On the other side of the pier, waters from the intercoastal and the ocean fought for dominance. Ocean seaweed and debris evidence the high tide is able to reach the surface of the pier. Not many folks out, as this is an evacuation zone.
It seems like we dodged a bullet here.
I saw what it did to the Bahamas, and that was drastic.
Down in Boca's Town Center Mall, an army of trucks, Florida Power and Light, pre-positioning about 200 trucks. They say they have the largest pre-storm restoration workforce in its history. About 17,000 workers ready to respond. Remember, they can only work if winds are below 30 miles an hour. Back out live where you can see the water already rising. That's because high tide is expected in the next couple of hours. As for power restoration, that is also going to be a challenge because of flooding. FPL officials say if there is flooding, it's going to take much longer. For now, reporting live in Boynton Beach, I'm Hatzel Vela, Local 10 News.